Sparklines are small charts in Excel, and they visually represent the data, but it's in a cell instead of a larger chart. In our case, what we want to do for each shelter here is show a line chart within each cell in column J, which will show the changes over time for the quarterly expenses. Our data that we want to use to build the Sparkline is in columns C through F down to row 13. This is what we want to use to create each Sparkline. And we want to place them here in J where we have each of those rescues. Under the Insert tab, you can see the Sparklines grouping. Because we want to see the change over time, we'll choose Align Sparkline. The data range is what you want, the range of cells that you want to use in order to build each Sparkline. For us, it's going to be these cells. The location range is where you want to place the Sparkline. In this case, we want to create a Sparkline in each of those cells for each shelter. It creates the Sparkline, and you just see a line. In your options here, you could always change the chart type. You can add the high points, the low points, or you could add all of the markers so that you can see each data point. We had 4 quarters, so you can see each of the markers there. You can also choose from the styles, and you can customize your Sparkline colors and your marker colors. The Sparkline will make it a little bit lighter. And the marker color, I'm going to place all of the markers there, and I'm going to make all of the markers yellow, and I'm going to make the low point red and the high point green. In this case, it emphasizes the red and green markers. The yellow is a little difficult to read, but if I want to emphasize the high and low points while still seeing the other markers to designate the 4 quarters, that's a nice way to be able to edit. But it's personal preference and looking at how you want to display the data as far as which options you would like to choose. Again, if you want to edit the Sparklines, highlight them, and under the Sparkline tab, your options are available. Also, if you want to delete the Sparklines, highlight them, you can right-click and go to Sparklines and clear the selected Sparklines.